I'm sure you've heard the news. We're pitting microwave ovens against OTGs in a kitchen battle royale. Let's see which one comes out on top. Alright, kitchen enthusiasts, let's break it down. Microwaves are the Speedy Gonzales of the kitchen world. Need to reheat leftovers or cook a meal in minutes? The microwave's got your back. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just a few buttons and you're good to go. But here's the thing, microwaves aren't the best for baking or getting that crispy, golden finish. That's where our friend, the OTG, comes in. OTG stands for Oven Toaster Grill, and believe me, it lives up to its name. Perfect for baking cakes, roasting chicken, and toasting bread. It does take a bit longer and there's a learning curve. But the results? Totally worth it. So which one should you choose? If you're all about speed and convenience, go microwave. If you love baking and grilling, the OTG is your new best friend. Or why not both? They're like Batman and Robin. Better together. What's your pick? Microwave or OTG? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more kitchen tips and tricks.